If somebody planning not to do your degrees, just see them, look at them. Don't you want to get this degree in your college, university?
That in this modern world, education and discipline, both these two things are essential for a successful life. Intention and determination with hard work gives us results. Nothing is free. We all worked hard, alhamdulillah. Sarwat ma'am and her team help everyone get educated, whether they are a dropout or of different age gaps.
बचपन से पढ़ने की बहुत ख्वाहिश थी मुझे, लेकिन मैं पढ़ नहीं सका। मेरे माँ बाप का इंतकाल होने के बाद मैं मेरे खाला के घर रुका हुआ था, वहाँ पे मुझे पढ़ने का मौका नहीं मिला। तब मैं यहाँ टैनी रोड से गुजरता था तो लर्निंग पॉइंट फाउंडेशन का बोर्ड देखता। सरवत मैम का मिलने में सरवत मैम फुल खुश हो गए थे। तो मैं सबान से न को आज से बैठ जाओ हमारी क्लास में, पढ़ना शुरू करो तुम्हें कर बोल को। वो वजह से मैं पढ़ना शुरू किया, लेकिन मैं जो मेरे खाला के घर में था उन्होंने मुझे पढ़ने के वास्ते नहीं दिए। मुझे पढ़ने का रहा तो हमारे घर में नहीं रहना, तो चले जाकर बोलने में मैं बाहर जाको पीजी में 6 महीने था, काम भी करता था पढ़ को। उसके बाद जस्ट पास हो को यहाँ तक तुम्हारे सामने खड़को हूँ।
ये जो लर्निंग पॉइंट जो काम कर रहा है, ये कोई बड़े स्कूल्स करने की हिम्मत भी नहीं कर सकते। तो आपके लिए एक बहुत अच्छा मौका है। आपके एजुकेशन जहाँ पे रुक गया था, आप उसको कंप्लीट करके उसको पूरा करने के लिए जितने भी बच्चे जो स्कूल से ड्रॉप आउट हो गए हैं या किसी भी वजह से, पैसों की वजह से या घर में हालात की वजह से या माहौल की वजह से, अगर यहाँ पर आकर आप अपना एजुकेशन कंप्लीट कर लेंगे तो मुझे लगता है ये हमारी कम्युनिटी के ऊपर बहुत बड़ा पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट होगा।
This Sharwat, you are the angel, believe me. बावजूद I am working on an educational aspect for 37 years and हमारा परदादा ने शुरू किया 1906 में, यानी 118 साल पहले। लेकिन इनको देख के मैं बोला नहीं, मैं हमारा कुछ भी नहीं है इनके सामने, because she is making a direct impact on each and every one of you. So she has given a direction to you. It is not you 250 or 350 people. 350 घर, 350 फैमिली, सबके ऊपर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इंशाअल्लाह मुझे यकीन है ये जो मेहनत काम आएगी। Whatever you are doing here, this should be worked as a model. ये मॉडल कोई भी नहीं कर रहा है। ये इस तरह का जो मॉडल जो है इसको अलग अलग जगह में हमें एक्सपैंड करना है। We are ready to, if you are ready to take the leadership, we are ready to sponsor one of that model. क्योंकि मैं जब आते वक्त मैं ये सोच के आया था, टैंडी रोड के बच्चे हैं, पता नहीं कैसे रहेगा, कैसे बाल होंगे, कैसे उनका शर्ट होगा वगैरह वगैरह। लेकिन यहाँ जब मैं जाके देखता हूँ वो जो ट्राउज़र, जो शर्ट, वो स्मार्टनेस, एक बंदा तो बिल्कुल वो ब्रिटिश स्टाइल में बेल्ट पहन के आया है। Who's that boy? Who's that boy? Come on, come here बेटा, come here. You look like a film star. You look like a film star. आप लोगों को देख के मुझे इतना खुशी हो रही है, इसका कोई हद नहीं है। I feel like crying. आप लोग हैं हमारा मुस्तकबिल. You are our future. You need to take the community. एक इंसान और उसका मकसद क्या है? So person vis-a-vis the purpose. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हमेशा पर्सन पे जाते हैं. In the bargain we forget the purpose. But Sharwat Appa, what she did, she went behind the purpose.
I completed my 12th in Learning Point, which I had a very good experience.
So also will the memories of our dear Learning Point will be instilled in our minds forever.
Sarwat told me, I have made it the mission of my life to see that every dropout has a second chance. And that is the motto of Learning Point also today. And is the journey easy? I can tell you it's not. When I got to know about Learning Point about 3-4 years back, they were in a small place. They were struggling with debt. They were not able to pay the salaries for the tutors on time. Luckily, right at that point, Mr. Ibrahim had approached me saying that he wanted to do something for the community. So I sent Sarwat. Ibrahim will speak to you later. So I sent Sarwat to him, and Ibrahim agreed to pay the salaries for the tutors. She got so inspired by this. Within a few days, within a few weeks or months, she had more students and more tutors, and the space was not enough for her. She found the space very close to where she was already, and I was worried about how she would bear the expense, but she got the rent sponsored by a company called Global Calcium, Mr. Wazir Ali. Hopefully you will hear him also later. The number of students went on increasing, and so did the number of tutors. So this is the struggle she faces every day. What is it that keeps her and Learning Point going? It is that mission that is very clearly stated that every dropout will have a second chance in life. That is what keeps Sarwat and Learning Point going, and that is the reason we are gathered here today. I think we should give a big clap to Sarwat for that.
I didn't want our kids to lose out on that opportunity of getting that experience of how you would face the corporate world tomorrow. What are the kind of presentations you'll experience? Having said that, Ibrahim Bhai happens to be the CEO of IT firm, a lot good achiever.
Everybody working together, innovating, learning, growing together, right? So that's the meaning of corporate. And why corporate? Google is innovating every day. So when you work with very, very smart people, you will automatically learn a lot of things there, right? If you go to, some other place, they don't have jobs. But lucky for India right now, mashallah, there are unlimited jobs. So many companies want employees. So the next thing is specialization, right? So now there are hundreds and hundreds of people applying for jobs. So how do you stand out from this?
Come on,
So the
answer his questions.
So you need to specialize. So what you need to do first is identify your strengths, right? Your interest, map it, and then go get specialization.
Ambani, when somebody questioned him, do you read any books? He says, in a day, if I don't read 200 to 300 pages every day, I don't complete my day. So when millionaires and billionaires like that are reading books, why not we? वो जो कॉन्शियस माइंड में एक फियर रहता है नहीं, उसे निकाल डालो. उसे निकालने का बेस्ट तरीका क्या है? तो जिस चीज से तुम ना डर लग रहा है और अल्लाह को राजी करने वाली चीज है, वो चीज में एक बार कूद डालो. Jump into that. You'll be out of it. I think that is what she did. Who has never spoken on the mic so far in lifetime? Tell me a little about the school, college.
Just now I joined. Before 1 month only I had before.
Before this, where were you? What were you doing?
I was working in Zepto, sir. Online delivery.
Online delivery you used to do.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ इन बच्चों के साथ मैं ये दिखाना चाहता था, जब हम दीन में अल्लाह से जुड़े रहते हैं ना, तो कॉन्फिडेंस अपने आप आ जाता है. अगर हमें किसी चीज़ का खौफ होना चाहिए, तो बस वो अल्लाह की नाराज़गी का खौफ होना चाहिए.
Give up. Many times they were supposed to give up, but just something made them to cross their limits and they could do that.
Thank Miss Sarwat and her team for giving dedicated services to the children's downtrodden, children who have come from other backgrounds, children who are working. Even some time back, Miss Sarwat has told me that the children's mothers also who have left the studies have joined along with the children, some separately, and they are also getting success.
Myself, Rida Fatima Parvez, I am a dropout of 10th and 12th batch of Learning Point Foundation. Learning Point Foundation gave me an opportunity to come back towards my studies because of my health issues which I could not. I thank them for what I've done and I've reached. I thank Sarwat ma'am.
When I was a time when my father was not there with me, I was left like studies, I don't want to study. I was like, I don't know what is study, who will pay my fees. At that time, I was like, Sarwat ma'am has like, why are you worried? I am there. What you want to become? I was the person like, ma'am, I want to study, at least I want to complete my 10th. She was like, 10th? That's all? that's all you want to study? She was like, Mom, I must try my best. After that, I studied my 10th in Learning Point itself. From 8,000, the position of an employee, I'm a staff manager now. I'm earning 27,000 just because of Sarvat ma'am. I proudly say in my office that my inspiration, my career, all about goes to Sarvat ma'am.
They have turned a vision into reality, the vision which gives hope, the second chance to those who had lost their way. Yes, my team, mashallah, I'm blessed to have a team which is there with me every time, anytime I required them.
So always ensure that you are very professional, you greet them very well, be polite, show your willingness, and ensure that inshallah you will be doing very well with the interview.
ज़िंदगी के तमाम शोबों में अक़ीदा, अखलाक, आमाल, मामलात, मईशत, मुआशरत, सियासत, ताल्लुकात, सब में दीन ने हमारी रहनुमाई की है. हम इससे कभी बेनियाज नहीं हो सकते हैं. तो दुनिया की तरक्कियां ज़रूर हम करें, लेकिन दीन से हमारा रिश्ता कायम रहे.
जो बाहर की दुनिया के बच्चे कर सकते हैं, तो हिजाब पहनने के बावजूद हमें कर सकते हैं वो काम, राइट? इंशाल्लाह. So just have that confidence. Confidence is going to take you everywhere, wherever you need to go. Sky is your limit. Inshallah.
I congratulate Sarvat Learning Point Foundation for organizing such a great event, especially for the children of madrasas. I am really proud of her for the work, the incredible work she is doing.